Okay, guys, so the first thing we are going to learn how to freeze the heading. Now you can see if I am going down, everything is going down, the headings also. So I want to freeze this. If I go down, so I can know this marks for which subject. Okay, so what will I do? This is the heading. I will come after this line and I will go to view. In view, I have this freeze pane. I will click on it and I will freeze. So now you can see if I am going down, it's showing me this marks for physics, this for social studies, for maths, whatever. Okay, this is the first thing. So now we jump on the next step. You see, this is our database, and this database I am going to share with you on Canvas. So you will use the same database for total, average, grade, and percentage. So we have freeze this already. Now we have to find out this total. So for the total, what formula we use it? Any of the formula in Excel we use. So first we put is equal to sign. For the total we will use sum, and after that we will put the bracket. For the bracket we will hold the shift button and press 9. So this bracket will come. After that you can select all the numbers what you have to take total. Now you can see, now this is 93. Now you can copy this formula and paste in the other cells, or you can go on the corner and drag this so it will come on each cell. Okay, this is for the total. Now we come for average. We will write is equal to average, then again bracket, and now again then we will select this numbers, not the total, only the numbers for the subjects, these. So this is our average. We will do the same thing. We can copy and paste. Now for the grade, you can see now here, this is the criteria for the grade, and from 90 to 100 marks A, 80 to 90 B, 70 to 80 C, 60 to 70 D, and less than 60 it will be fail. So we know the criteria. Now we are going to write if condition. If condition we will write, because we will put the condition if this total is less than or greater than this, then the grade will be A or B or C. Okay, so for the if condition, what will we do? We will write is equal to, and then if. Once we click on if, double click on if, so you see if logical test, comma, comma means then if the logical test will be true or the false, what will happen? So the first we have to follow this total. So what is the cell number of total? This one, L6. So we say if L6 is greater than 90, we are following this criteria. Okay, this total will be greater than 90, then if the condition will be true, what will happen? We will put the comma and we will write in inverted commas A. And if our total is greater than or equal to 90, then the grade will be A. Okay, in inverted commas we are writing A because whatever we write in inverted commas, it comes as it is. Then this is if the condition will be true. If the condition will be false, then what will happen? Then we will put again the other condition. So now we are going to put the condition again, yani the total will be greater than or equal to 90, then the grade will be A. But in other case, if this L6, yani the total, again I take L6, is greater than or equal to 80, Then what is our criteria? It will be B. Okay, then inverted commas B. Then again I am going to give the condition here, bracket L6 will equal to or greater than 70. Then what will happen? C grade. Grade C. And after that, again I am saying if L6, yani the total is greater than or equal to 60, then what will happen? D grade. And the last one, if the L6, yani the total is less than 60, not greater than, less than 60, then what will happen? Fail. Then bracket close. Click on yes. Now you can see you can copy this and paste in all cells. So now you can see which one is greater than 90, that is A grade. Greater than 80, it's B grade. This is also greater than 90. This is greater than 80. If I change the value here, suppose I write this, or C, this is greater than 70 but less than 80, that is C grade. If I change the value here, this is also C. Okay, so now we got this grades. Now the last thing is percentage. The percentage we will take from total also. We know these marks out of 100, yani this 93 out of 100, this 85 out of 100, all the marks out of 100. So what will we do? For the percentage we will put is equal to, and what is our original marks? This total L6 L6. If yani this total divided by out of 100, so out of 100 and multiply by 100. So what I did, I took the total divided by out of 100, and after that I multiply by 100, because we in the percentage, for to find out the percentage we multiply always with the 100. So when we will press enter, we will get the percentage here. We can drag this, so you can see now all the students has this percentage. Now we have the total, average, grade and percentage. So again I am just uploading this database, and you guys will put the formula for all these things: total, average, grade and percentage. Thank you.